unboxing Wonder Ball and Unicorn Squad 5 Surprise. I can't wait to see which one we'll get in both of them. But before this video starts, don't forget to check out the Mini Boos TD ties up at the corner, because we need those to get lots of views. And don't forget to subscribe, and I hope you guys do that. So, let's get started. So, which one will we open first? 5 Surprise or Wonder Ball? Unicorn Squad. So, these, I've opened one of them before, but these are just, the one that I opened was just the grocery ones, and I used them for my dolls. Let's see what's inside the Unicorn Ball. Oh, and by the way, before we open this, don't forget to check out this 5 Surprise video up at the corner, because it's related to this video. Let's see it. I can't wait. I think we might need to open it more. There's lots of plastic. Like, I think the whole thing is plastic. We need to open it some more. There we go. Now it's time to open. Wait, there's like this little clear plastic thing. I don't remember seeing that in the other one. Maybe it was just last time it was connected, or this is just different. Okay, so the orange, it's like an orange. Oh, these are 1, 2, 3, 4 surprises, but I guess this one's like really big. I guess that one's the unicorn. So let's open one of these. Here we have a small one. Let's see which one we get. Oh, this one has the comb, and it's yellow. And it also comes with these little stickers. Wow, these look like candy stickers. I love candy stickers. Here's a closer look. So we have 5 stickers, 5 surprise stickers, and we have our yellow comb. And if you look closely, it actually kind of looks like candy too. So that is cool. Next we have our other one. Let's see what this is. This looks like something. I wonder if this is some slime. Ooh. I can't wait. It's hard to open. So, while we're waiting for that to open, let's check out the collector's guide. So there is Shimmer. Wait, so there's like a bunch of them. I don't think we should look at that one yet. But because like all of them are really cool. Oh, I think we got one of these candy ones. So its name is Cherry. And as soon as my mom opens up the slime, then we will check it out. Meanwhile, let's look what we've seen so far. And they match the one with Cherry. So now it's time to see the slime. Wow, is this unicorn poop slime? Wow! It's so cool. It's fluffy. This is not fluffy. Well, it is. It's cloud slime. And it's purple, so that's like really cool. Get all of it out, or most of it, and let's hear it. so satisfying. Next one. So let's open it. Ooh, these are its accessories. Here's some shoes. I think these could fit on the LOL dolls. Those are cute. Next up, we have this. I believe this is the skirt. Then we have a little lollipop. Now it's time to open up the pony. And before we do, let's take a look at this. They're really pretty. So let's see which one we get. Where do you open it? I wonder the Wonder Ball. Wow, I can't wait. Yes, we got a little cute unicorn with its wig. That is extremely cute. Oh, and it also comes with this. Let's put the wig on. I can't wait to see how cute it looks like. Wow. Wait. So, I need to see how to put it on. So my mom's putting it on for me. Let's take a look at the slime again. This is unicorn poop, I think. Seemed like it. Let's take a look if it's on here. It's not on here. We got cherry, I believe, because all of our accessories match it. Let's take another look. Wow. So, we are almost done putting the unicorn together. The accessories, the wig. I can't wait to play with it. So, cherry is like really cute. I can't wait to open up the Wonder Ball surprise. Let's hear some ASMR. Do you guys love it? Comment down below #5surprise if you do on any videos. And don't forget to like this video. It's not easy for you to put on the wig. So, let's check out our little accessory here. Cute. Yeah, we're just gonna put the skirt on it, and maybe if we do it, if we do that and put all the stuff, we can try to put the wig on. So the skirt, I hope this is easy. You have to put the unicorn like this. Super unicorn. Okay, this is a little hard too. I never had one of these before, so this is my first time having one. Soon we will open up our Wonder Ball. Oh no! These are hard. We need to try a little bit harder. Meanwhile, let's check out Cherry. That's what she will look like whenever we put all the pieces together. And we should open up Wonder Ball right now, and then we're going to put her together. So, open it. Oh, by the way, this says Pick Me Pops and their milk chocolate in there, just in case you didn't know. Here's our little surprise. And then it says, look. Okay. Look! Prize below! Let's see what prize we get. Wow, we got this little cute little puppy. And then you got a serious one, Gizmit. You could animate the card on the app. Don't forget to download the app. Favorite treat, caramel creams. And favorite pastime, having sweet dreams. Cool. I love it. Like, we finally get to open up this. So it's like really cute. So let's open it. It's milk chocolate. I'll try not to tear up the foil. Okay, we got it. Oh, it's cracked a little bit, but let's see it. Wow! We got our character shaped candy. There's kitty, doggy, and then there's better doggy. Let's try a piece. Kitty and another dog. God, this is so amazing. Wow. Milk chocolate's the best. I'll try one of these. Hey, wait up. These look like the Pick Squeak surprise candy. Wow. They taste like them too. Now let's check out our unicorn. Got the wig on and the crown, accessory. Now it's time to put on the skirt. Did it. Now the shoes. Oh, that fell. Let's put on the shoes first. I think these would fit on the LOL dolls. I hope so. And don't forget to check out the Pip Squeak surprise video too. It will pop up in the corner that you see. Wow, that candy was amazing, but I think I need some milk with that. Okay, so now that we got our shoes on, let's put this on. And then let's put the skirt on. Now our lollipop here. And you can put it in the mouth. It looks like it's in the mouth, but okay, that's the only thing that I can do. Like, you can't put it in its mouth. It even comes with this little comb. Let's comb the tail. Awesome video. Today was really fun with you guys. I had an amazing time. So, it's time for it to end. I'm so sad that it has to end. But the fun never ends. We can take a look at our little puppy before we leave in our collector's guide. Don't forget to check out our latest videos coming up, and Happy New Year. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, like, and comment down below. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share this video. Nom nom nom. Bye. Mwah.